Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make Nigeria suya. First you have to slice the meat. Right now I will pack the meat inside the plate. I have to take garlic. This is garlic. You can use and put a little bit. It depends on you. We have black pepper here. You can see, and we have the aroma here. It depends on you. You can see add a little bit. We have curry here. This is the liquid Maggi. You can see add your liquid Maggi. We have the seed Maggi. You can see add little. We have the salt here. You can see add a little bit salt to it. You can see the groundnut oil here. You will add the groundnut oil to use it to mix it together. You can now continue. I will add a little bit just to mix it, to let the liquid Maggi to penetrate inside. You start to mix it together. You can see it. Oh, you have to bring out the steak. Take the meat one by one. Right now I finished arranging the meat inside the steak. Right now I have to get my suya spices all the way from Nigeria. You will start to take it one by one. Guys, right now I finished with the spices. I want to use the ground oil to rub a little of it before I take it to the oven. Right now I finished with the ground oil. I'm taking it to the oven. Right now you have to put it on a medium heat. Yes, it's ready. Hello, it's ready now. I leave it about 20 to 25 minutes. It's ready. You cannot bring it out from the steak. The suya is ready. I'm bringing it out from the steak. Hello guys, this is the suya. It's ready for you guys and for me and for everybody. Please, if you like us, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification button so that anytime we upload video, you can see it, you can get it. Thank you guys for watching.